Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can we convert a PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation. So here we have a PDF file that contains some text and an image, and I want to convert all of this content into a PowerPoint presentation. So how do we do this? We are going to use an online tool for this purpose, and that is the ilovepdf.com. So you can go to this link ilovepdf.com/pdf to PowerPoint, or you can simply just go to Google and enter the name of the tool ilovepdf.com and state your intent. So here our intent is to convert the PDF to a PowerPoint. So just write that and do the Google search. The first link that you will get will take you to this page. So here what we're going to do is select our PDF file. So let's just select our PDF file and click on open. Now there is this button convert to PPTX, which is nothing but the extension of PowerPoint. It will take a few seconds and convert it for us, and then it would allow us to download it in the form of a presentation, the PPTX file. So once we are done with the download, we can simply just open it up to see that how the preview is looking. If you just enable editing, here you will see that this is the presentation that has been created for us. We can move the image anywhere we want. This text is present in the form of a text box. We can edit it as much as we want. So that's it for this video. That's how you convert a PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching.